Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Konrad ke Sangma hakasni baar uloong baka Sorkar Jilla kadang Jingïakren bat ka Sorkar Pdeng ban Pynbeit no mardor ya ki kenrum kenram ban pentikna ya ka jingtrekam ban Ïaid bet Ïaid renti hapok skolba North Eastern Hills University. Konrad uloong ba udang Jingïakren bat ka Sorkar India Bad Jingïakren bat Menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng na kapor syakapor ban pentip syau ya ka ka baja. Uloong baka Nehu ka de ka tanat trekam balat lut. Bad ka batrekam hapo ka jingkmi ka Education Ministry. Kumta baro kini ki jing kidan ha ka baka Sorkar ka shem jing ban tuklar. Bad habban ya da ka linti. Ngis ngokya bha ngimshim la tuklar dalade ya ka ne ka kam Henry ngila Jingïakren ngihap Jingïakren ya ki breu ki badai pet.
You see, we are concerned. We're concerned about the issue in Nehu. And mostly I'm concerned about the students. There are issues from both sides. We have tried to understand those issues, tried to reach out to different stakeholders, either me directly or through somebody in the system. When I say system, means the government. And tried to see how we could resolve the issue so that Nehu can function in a smooth manner. And as I've mentioned again earlier, that Nehu is an autonomous body directly functioning under the Education Ministry, Government of India, and appointments of the Chancellor are done from the President's level. So therefore all these complications are there where state government it's difficult for us to openly intervene in the day-to-day functioning because there are already systems that are in place, and even though we may want to do it in certain ways, state government is not actually the competent authority to officially to intervene in these matters. So we can do it at a certain level. So number one, as I said, are we concerned? We are very concerned. And are we intervening? We're not directly intervening because we are not the competent authority to do that, but we are engaging. We're engaging. We are talking to people. I have personally gone to meet the students. Of course, when I went to meet them also, some of them took it otherwise when I said that I have not come as Chief Minister, because I wanted to share with them that I've come as a citizen, as a leader, as a person who would like to help. But as I said, I cannot be there from a government perspective because technically we don't have the authority to directly intervene into the day-to-day functioning. But we can engage, as I said. And so my purpose was engagement, and I'm concerned. I engage with the students. I'm engaging with unofficially and informally with certain staff and faculty, other political leaders as well as bureaucratic officials are also engaging. So we are finding a way. We're trying to see how we could bring the different stakeholders together to resolve this issue. But as I said, we're not very sure how things are moving forward. I'm engaging with Government of India. I speak to Honorable Education Minister on a time-to-time, on a basis, and update him and request that we can find a way to resolve. So they're doing their best. But I again urge everybody that yes, there could be complications, but we need to find a way to come together and resolve it in the larger interest of the student fraternity and the students of the state, and especially of Nehu.
So we've recently seen pressure groups creating a ruckus there, migrants and this is